Your shoulders still look flat from the front and the side. That's because you're not training them the right way. These exercises will give your shoulders real size, width, and that 3D look, fast. Exercise 1. Barbell Shoulder Press. Target muscle, anterior deltoid. The barbell shoulder press is one of the best exercises for building front shoulder size and strength. Grip the bar just outside shoulder width and perform the movement either seated or standing. Start with a manageable weight, press the bar overhead in a smooth motion, then slowly lower it back down toward your upper chest while keeping constant tension on the shoulders. Exercise 2. Barbell Upright Row. Target muscles, side delts and traps. Many people perform upright rows incorrectly, which reduces muscle activation. This exercise can be done with an EZ bar or an Olympic barbell. Hold the bar at about shoulder width and select a weight you can control. Lead the movement with your elbows as you pull the bar upward. Focus on squeezing the side delts and trap muscles at the top. When done correctly, this exercise helps give your shoulders a wider, more 3D look. Exercise 3. Single arm cable lateral raise. Target muscle, side deltoid. This isolation exercise is excellent for building shoulder width and roundness. Stand next to the cable machine and perform the movement one arm at a time. Raise the cable up to shoulder height and pause briefly to squeeze the side delts. Avoid using momentum or heavy weight. Control the movement for better muscle activation. Exercise 4. Dumbbell Reverse Fly. Target muscle, posterior deltoid. The Dumbbell Reverse Fly targets the rear delts and helps improve shoulder balance and definition. Use light dumbbells and hinge slightly forward at the hips. Lift the dumbbells out to the sides while focusing on contracting the rear delts. Proper form will create better muscle detail and separation in the shoulders. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 representatives. Exercise 5. Cable front raise. Target muscle, anterior deltoid. Front raises can be done with dumbbells, a barbell, or cables. Using a cable provides constant tension, which makes the movement even more effective. Use a light weight, raise the cable to shoulder height, and hold for 1 to 2 seconds. Squeeze the front delts at the top before slowly lowering the weight back down. Exercise 6. Barbell Shrugs. Target muscle, trapezius. No shoulder workout is complete without training the traps. Barbell shrugs help build thick, strong trapezius muscles and improve upper body appearance. Use a heavy weight, lift the bar straight up by shrugging your shoulders, and hold the top position for 1 to 2 seconds to fully engage the traps before lowering the bar.